doing. Yeah. Oh, I'm not. But yeah. Hey guys, it's actually been a few days since me at the mall with my friend Bridget, who I was in a movie with when I was 12, and we stayed friends all these years. I'm a little sunburned. I was out these past few days just trying to enjoy life, trying to get over being actually cheated on, and I wanted to treat myself, so I did treat myself, and I bought an air humidifier off of AliExpress, and I've kind of come to the conclusion that AliExpress is like a Amazon. Can there be an off-brand Amazon? I feel like AliExpress is like the off-brand Amazon. So I got an air humidifier to try and make my space a little bit better, more livable. My package came today from AliExpress. This big box. And I kind of wanted to unbox it with you guys because I feel like I probably could have bought an air humidifier off of like Best Buy or from Amazon or from somewhere that's a little bit more reputable than AliExpress, but AliExpress is having this like summer clearance situation. Wanted an air humidifier, felt like that was gonna do something for me, so I got this box. I want to open it with you, talk about this air humidifier. Let's get into it. I don't even know. This looks promising. I don't know. Okay. It says Smart Me. And they've got their little Twitter and Facebook situation going on right there. Smart Me Evaporative Humidifier. Read this manual carefully before use and retain it for future reference. Alright, Smart Me. I will. Why would it emit a strange odor though? What would I have to do to create a problem like that? Okay, so you could use tap water, mineral water, purified water. You add it through the refiling port. Add water to the water tank. I'm confused. Oh my fucking god. The real reason that I wanted this air humidifier is because I used to nanny for this like 90s it girl actress who kind of lives in the area I live in. They're really, really rich. Like, she's really a famous actress, and then her husband was like this famous designer for like Carhartt and shit like that. So I used to nanny for them, and their kids had these air humidifiers. They had, both of them had like at least 2 of them in their bedrooms, and after I saw that, I was like, I want to also live like the 1%, because these people were like actually insanely wealthy. And so ever since then I've just always wanted a fucking air humidifier, because it's like such a bougie thing to have, and especially because those super rich people that I nannied for had these air humidifiers all over their house. Ever since I saw that, I was like, guess I'm gonna have to get a air humidifier. But I got mine from AliExpress, and they probably got theirs from like Toto. Okay, so this comes off.
Following the instructions.
Son of a bitch. Why would they pack that like that?
Okay, you need to stop with that right now. I cannot.
Hang on, someone's calling me. Bottom holes. Oh yeah,
well made, works well, easy to maintain, runs quietly.
Oh, look at that. You can take this out.
Oh my god,
I make everything harder for myself. Alright, well, there's that. And then there's this part that goes... Oh, look at that. Look how cute that is, huh? Oh, I'm so excited. Can I plug this in without putting water in it?
No, read the manual. You do not want to start a fire or break a toy.
I don't know. I'm just thinking out loud. Let me do my voiceover voice. I used to do voiceover back when I was a child actor. Smart Me Evaporative Humidifier.
Side effects might include heart attack, diabetes, stroke. If a limb falls off, please contact your doctor before starting this or any other medication.
The product starts producing a strange sound, odor, or gets very hot. Cease use immediately. What if in my sleep,
Please
like I
don't start a
wouldn't,
fire. Please don't.
I wouldn't
Don't.
notice, is what I'm saying.
You'll notice.
If I'm sleeping and
You
something
don't
starts
think
to
if something
smell, or
like-
if it gets hot,
it
how do you even?
Wouldn't wake you up though? Like...
No. I've slept. I've slept in bathtubs. I've slept on floors. I've slept on
Okay.
couches.
Then why don't we do this? Why don't you like turn it on and give it a go?
Right now, there's no water though.
Finish reading, put the water in, and then see how it works, and then turn it off before you go to sleep and unplug it.
You think so?
I do.
It doesn't
Good night.
matter.
Love you.
You'll
You'll figure this out.
Yep.
You're capable.
Yeah.
Seriously.
I'm sorry, Mom. I don't even know what I was doing.
The
I think I was on
Synergy
TikTok.
show. Please watch it.
Yeah, I will. I love you.
Love
Good
you.
night.
Good night.
Wish me luck.
Please unplug it before you go to bed.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm gonna go get some water, and I'm gonna put the water in here. Ooh, or should I download the app first? So many options on what to do. I think I'm gonna download the app because there's like this. I really like smart home devices. I think that smart homes are really, really cool. I've always wanted to have like my own smart home. So this is like my first step. This air humidifier is foreshadowing. So you get the Me Home app. Scan the QR code, download the app. Okay, I'm kind of excited, but I'm wondering, do I need to enable my Bluetooth? Do I have to turn this on though first? Yeah, no, yeah, you have to turn it on first. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna get the water. I'll be right back. Is that good? Yummy. Is that good? Who knew AliExpress had smart home gadgets, huh? Downloading the app. Me Home Smart Home app. This is sick. Ooh, I'm gonna get addicted. Okay, I'm gonna make an account with my email. Okay, add device, okay. My humidifier. Agree.
Yes.
What is the Wi-Fi password? This is exciting. I deserve this. Look at that, huh? It's connecting. Get connected for free with Education Connection. This is in my bedroom. Okay. Next. I'm gonna show you guys. So I just said it's in my bedroom, and now it's saying it's my evaporator, add to favorites, invite your family members. I don't have anyone to share this with right now. Continue to prompt. Ooh, you can voice control this. This is awesome. This is so cool that I'm now part of the 1% because I own this really cool smart home air humidifier. We can be bougie together. We can all have smart homes, starting with this air humidifier, which is pretty cool if I do say so myself. So I don't know, I wanted to show you guys this. Again, use my discount code in the description box below. Get yourself an air humidifier. There's actually a lot of benefits, by the way, to an air humidifier. So do this for yourself. Do this for yourself on a budget, which I'm giving you the budget in my link in the description box. Right there, go check it out. And yeah, it's pretty cool. Huh, look at that. I'm fine. This is helping me. This is what I needed. This is the key to my happiness. Yeah. So cool. I hope you're jealous. And if you are, you don't have to be. Because again, right there in the description box, my exclusive code from me to you from SmartMe.